Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you all? So guys, today we will see in this video informal contraction. As in the previous video we knew about contractions like isn't and yes. So in this video we'll go further some advanced English informal contraction. So moving ahead, we will start from its definition. So let's see. Informal contractions are short forms of other words that people use when speaking casually. They are not exactly slang, but they are a little like slang. So simply it is saying that informal contraction is the short form of the other word that people use in speaking. So what exactly the informal contraction is, we will see in the further slides. Okay, so let's go for the very first informal contraction. So we'll go for the going to, gonna. This is the very basic informal contraction that we use in our daily routine, like when we study the tense as a present continuous tense, then we use they are going to home, we are going to market, he is going to market. On that time we use going to. So that going to, now you are in advance, as you know, changing is the rule of nature, as the whole world is being advanced day by day. So we have to be advanced and we have to be modern. So in modern English we use gonna. Like here is the example, they are gonna college for celebrating Teachers Day. Here we are using gonna in place of going to. Next we will see wanna for want to. Like here's the example, India wanna become first developing country. Yes. Okay, next, I am going to, wow, it's really I am going to market, he is going to play the cricket. Like its informal contraction is I'm a visit in Varanasi, I'm a visit in Varanasi. Okay, next, lemme is used for let me do my duty, or let me clear first, let me speak first, let me complete first. Yes. So these are the words that informally when we use in front of some people that that is fluent in English or that is advanced in English. On that time we feel proud ourselves that definitely we are using the good sentences. Yes. Now next one is hafta. Hafta is used for have to. We'll see the example, we all have to follow the rules of lockdown. And next one is hasta, has to, he has to prepare for exam. Okay, so this is also in the tense we use has to, have to, he has to eat, he have to go, they have to go for their duty. Yes. So in that place we can use hafta in place of have to and hasta in place of has to. Okay, next one, nida. Nida is used for, it is the informal contraction of need to. Yes. Here is, we will see the example, I need a save money or I won't be able to travel. Next one is oughta. Oughta is for ought to, we ought to help the poor, we ought to help the poor. So here we can say we ought to help poor, we ought to help poor. Next one is out of. Next one is out of. Here oughta, we should score 90 marks out of 100, out of 100. This also generally whenever we just now you just the board exam completed, on that time everybody will ask now in May, as the scenario is not good, like in May the board result came out and everybody ask how much marks you obtain out of 500, 600. Yes. So there we can use in place of oughta we can use oughta. Okay. So next one is kappa. Kappa is used for cup of. Cup of is give me a cup of tea, give me a cup of tea. So guys, so you should, after knowing this, you have to use in your daily routine. Like these all are the informal contraction are the used one in daily routine. So after knowing this you have to use this. Okay, next one is, wow, this is beautiful informal contraction, kind of. Kind of is, its informal contraction is kind of. Okay, there are different kind of people in the world. she is kinda different girl. Yeah, so this types of sentences we can use in place of kinda, we can use kinda. Okay, next one is again this is the very fluent word that we use. I don't know, he don't know, yeah, I don't care. On that time you can use don't know. Don't know means don't know, yes, or doesn't know. According to sentence we will decide don't know will or doesn't know, but both informal contraction will be don't know. Okay, we don't know about lockdown 5.0, we don't know about lockdown 5 as the lockdown 4 has declared. So we don't know about lockdown 5 as it is a future prediction, so we can't say clearly. The next one is gimme. Wow, again, give me a pen. On that time you can use give me a pen. Yeah, give me a pen. So in that place we can use give me. Give me permission to control your computer. Yes, give me permission to control your computer. Next, what are you? Again, watcha. Watcha doing in lockdown? What are you doing in lockdown? On that time you can use watcha doing in lockdown. Next one is lecha. Lecha is used for let you. I'll let you know, or I'll lecha know. Yes, like if somebody will ask you any question like do you know about the class will held or not? On that time you can say exactly now I'm not sure, but after knowing I will let you know. So on that time you can say after knowing I will lecha know. Okay, so now the next one is used to. Used to is used for usta. India used to be a golden bird. India used to be a golden bird. Okay, so guys, these all are the informal contraction, are the words. Many more are yet to be covered, but they are not so much frequent in our daily routine. So on that time we will just leave that. These all are the very selected informal contraction that we can use in our daily routine conversation. So on that time, after knowing this, please use it in your daily routine and see the videos again and again. Till now you are very frequent with this all kind of informal contraction. Okay, so guys, tell me how was the video. If you are getting something new, you please subscribe my channel and like and share. And one more information for you all, that all the videos whatever we have uploaded till now, the description of all videos are means the link of all videos are given in the description box of this video. So you can go in the description box and you can click whatever videos you are wishing to see. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you very much. We will see you in the